In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move and position a custom logo in your WordPress website. Whether you're customizing your site for the first time or fine-tuning your design, the placement and alignment of your logo can make a big difference in how your site looks and feels. A well-positioned logo not only enhances your branding, but also ensures your website feels balanced and professional. Today, we're going to walk through the exact steps to reposition your logo in WordPress. So let's get started. First, head over to www.wordpress.com. This is where you'll access the administrative features of your website, which is the starting point for editing your site. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button and click on it. This will take you to the login screen, where you can choose your preferred login method to access your account. Next, select the option to continue with Google. Alternatively, you can use any other login method you prefer, such as your WordPress login credentials. Just keep in mind, if you're using the Google option and you manage multiple accounts, make sure to select the Google account that's connected to your WordPress site. This ensures you're logging into the correct account. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the right side panel on your dashboard. Under the Quick Links section, click on Edit Site. This will open up the site editor where you can customize various elements of your website. The site editor is your go-to place for making visual changes to your site, including logo adjustments. Now, in the site editor view, you'll see a visual representation of your website. Click on your website's preview, which will bring up all the editable elements on the page. This is where you can directly interact with the content, including your site logo. Locate your site logo on the page. It's usually found in the header section, but its exact placement may vary based on your current design. Once you spot it, click on the logo. Doing this will activate the drag feature, allowing you to move the logo freely within the editing area. Now click and hold the logo, then drag it to your desired position on the page. You can place it wherever it best fits your design, whether that's centered, neatly aligned to the left, or in harmony with other elements on the page. Take your time here to experiment with different placements and find what works best for your layout. After positioning the logo, look for the alignment feature located at the top of the logo. This tool allows you to fine-tune the alignment of your logo in relation to other elements on the page. You can choose to align it to the left, center, or right, depending on your overall design. This step will help ensure everything looks cohesive and professional. Once you've adjusted the alignment, take a step back and review the positioning and alignment of your logo. Look at how it fits into the overall design of your site. Does it feel balanced? Is it visually appealing? A properly placed logo can make a significant difference in giving your site a polished and professional look. Finally, when you're satisfied with the placement and alignment, make sure to finalize your changes. Save your progress so that your edits are reflected on the live version of your website. A well-positioned logo not only enhances your branding, but also improves the navigational flow of your site, leaving a lasting impression on your visitors. And that's how you move and position a custom logo on your WordPress website. By following these steps, you can easily customize your site to reflect your unique style and branding. If you have any questions or additional tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.